Priyanka. Well, let's get you the cues from across the globe. First, starting with the US market. US stocks jumped on Tuesday's session. S&P 500 gained 0.27%. Dow advanced nearly 273 points or 0.65%, while NASDAQ, that one rose 0.26%. Now, this week marks the busiest in the third quarter earnings reporting season and is the final week leading up to the US presidential election on November 5th. And then we have Federal Reserve's policy decision coming on November 7th. Alphabet, that one kicked off a major week for the mega cap tech earnings. The Google parent exceeded analyst expectations as well. The company saw strong quarterly revenue growth from its cloud business especially. Shares surged 5% in the extended trading. Now, four of the other magnificent seven companies, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, they are all set to announce their latest financial results this week. On the economic front, investors are anticipating first preliminary reading of the third quarter of GDP, which is out on Wednesday. Expectations are building up for a 3.1% growth rate. Talking about the yields were at 4.2%. Now, this one were a little unchanged on Tuesday, with 10-year Treasury yield, which is trading at the highest level since July month. Dollar index is at 104. More cues. In fact, let's just get you cues for crude also, that how this one fared. In fact, crude prices have sold off steeply this whole week, if you talk about, and that was majorly on the geopolitical risk in the Middle East. Now, Brent crude contract, that stands at 71.12 barrel, which is nearly down by 30 cents or 0.4%. That's the year to data. Now, traders were, of course, relieved because, the Monday, that saw a little tensions easing out on the geopolitical front. On the flip side, gold, that one has touched another record peak on the US election jitters, Middle East woes, as well as the spot gold. Now that one is trading, that was up 1% at $2,769 per ounce after it hit a record high of 2,772 point earlier in the session. All right, and moving on,
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.